So the start of today's hike is from the Adirondacks Lodge, which is like Grand Central Station. It's a huge parking lot. A lot of hikes start here. And not surprisingly, there's a lot of people. Looks like a really nice swimming spot. Maybe we'll hit that later. Trailless, supposedly, but there's even a sign telling us to get there, so I got a feeling people have been here before. There we are. Some views. Muddy again. Pretty sure that one straight ahead is Mount Marcy. And those are other mountains. So, why are our pants muddy? Because a good portion of this trail is just like this. It's just swamp. A little bit of a view on the way back down of some more mountains. Mountain number 2 for today. Phelps Mountain. Okay. Another high point. No sign, no anything. But we're walked just past the real viewing area. So we'll go back to that in a minute. But I think this is the high point. A little bit past the peak. Might be able to see some people on the left side of the screen there. But similar view. And there aren't people here, so I'll talk a little bit. Except I'm still not going to tell you what these mountains are because I'm not really sure. They're big though. A little bit different angle. You get to see a big slide there, which that could be the name of that mountain, Slide. Not sure though. Actually, the one behind it I think is Algonquin. Don't hold me to it. There's Marcy again. That one I know.